Imagine the power of your mind, a realm so vast and potent, yet so often overlooked. This is the realm of the subconscious, a treasure trove of untapped potential. It's there, beneath the surface of your conscious thoughts, waiting to be harnessed, waiting to be directed. Now consider meditation, that ancient practice of quieting the mind and entering into the depths of one's own being. As you meditate, your brainwave frequency slows down, transitioning into the alpha and theta states. This is not merely a state of deep relaxation, it's a door, a gateway to accessing the boundless power of your subconscious mind. And here is where the law of assumption comes into play. This principle, this guiding light, teaches us how to program our subconscious mind, how to direct our inner potential towards manifesting our desired reality. The secret to harnessing this power lies in understanding and practicing the law of assumption. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the power of the mind. The law of assumption, a concept brought to light by Neville Goddard, holds the key to unlocking our potential. This principle is a powerful tool that enables us to program our subconscious mind, shaping our external reality based on our internal assumptions. Now let's take a deep dive into this fascinating concept. The law of assumption is rooted in the understanding that our brains, intricate and complex as they are, cannot distinguish between the external and internal realities. Yes, you heard that right. Your brain can't tell the difference between what's happening outside and the world you create within your mind. This leads us to a profound realization. Our subjective feelings and thoughts dictate the hormonal chemistry of our brains. When we assume an imaginal act, say falling in love, our brain responds to this imagined scenario as if it were genuine. The intensity of our imagination and the vividness of our emotions stimulate our brain's energy, aligning it with the power of our hearts. This alignment between the heart and the brain is crucial. It triggers the release of healing factors in our bodies, like the hormone oxytocin. Known as the love hormone, oxytocin repairs tissues in our bodies and aids in the release of stem cells, potentially reducing our biological age. Isn't that extraordinary? But the magic doesn't end there. This alignment of brain and heart also alters our body's electromagnetic field, creating a frequency of love. As a result, you become a magnet for love, attracting it into your life. The practice of the law of assumption does three significant things. Firstly, it helps you insert a new program into your subconscious mind. Secondly, it enables you to tune into the electromagnetic frequency you wish to experience in your reality. Lastly, it releases hormones that match the way you choose to think and feel. With consistent practice of meditation and assuming your desired reality into existence, you can attract the life you desire. This is the power of assumption, an automatic process influenced by our habitual thoughts and feelings. By assuming your desired reality, you align your brain and heart, creating an electromagnetic frequency of love and become a magnet for your desires. Harnessing the law of assumption is not an overnight process, but a journey of self-discovery and transformation. Imagine entering the stillness within, the blackness of your mind, and slowing down your brainwave frequency to alpha and theta. This tranquil state allows you to access your subconscious mind, a blank slate where you can implement a new program. This is where the magic of the law of assumption begins. The law of assumption is like the master key to your subconscious mind. By assuming an imaginal act, such as falling in love, with a vivid intensity of imagination and emotion, you bring this imaginary act to life in your mind. Since science shows us that the human brain accepts a strong, imaginal act as an interpretation of reality, it releases a cascade of effects which change us physically, mentally, and alters the course of our destiny. For it is the subconscious mind which directs the conscious behavior. The alignment of the heart and brain is the key to altering our chemistry and our EMF field. The heart itself is the entrance to the subconscious. It is the emotional center of our creation. The heart communicates to the brain with feeling, and we communicate to the heart by focusing on the way we want to feel. The feeling is the frequency which attracts more of itself into your life. Practicing the law of assumption is the game changer you seek. You must be the change you seek by creating it first within yourself. We don't necessarily attract experiences, we first assume them into the subjective reality by creating the feeling of the experience we desire. With practice, the experience we create boomerangs back to us. With repeated efforts of meditating and assuming your creation into life with the power of imagination and emotion, you can attract the reality you desire. It might take some time and practice to see change, but if you practice the law of assumption daily, you will notice how your physical reality steers towards a new direction. By repeatedly practicing the law of assumption, you become the architect of your life, mentally and electromagnetically shaping your journey before you live it. The power to shape your reality lies within you, waiting to be unlocked. It's time to harness the law of assumption, to tap into the potential of your subconscious mind. Picture the life you yearn for, assume it with vivid intensity, and watch as your brain and heart align to make it your reality. This practice not only shapes your world but also heals and revitalizes your body. Begin your journey of transformation today, and watch as the reality you desire unfolds before your very eyes.